Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remix and unscramble the historical timeline remix project. So we click the green flag. We have this person who starts talking, says, "Welcome to my project. I'm going to share a historical timeline about the Eastern Shoshone." Cool. But nothing happens. You want to know why? Because you have to actually unscramble this. So to do this, we're going to click See Inside. And inside of here is a bunch of text, a bunch of information talking about the historical timeline. Now, if we look, our project starts and it says, "Welcome to my project." So it's running the code for that. Welcome to my project. Okay, this is what it did, but then it didn't do anything else. Now, the reason why is we look at this comment is basically saying we have to put the order of this right up here. So we have to, okay, maybe this is the order, and then we add in this, etc. So then when you actually run it, it's going to run this particular timeline. So first it's going to welcome to the project. Okay, welcome. We've already seen this. And then it's going to talk about Chief Washakie. Okay, so it says 1840. All right. Died in 1900. Okay, so far, this seems like it's good. It's talking about 1840. Okay, then it's going to Treaty of 1863. Okay, that comes after 1840. So it's talking about that. Then it's going to talk about 1868. Cool. Okay, so I'm going to stop it here. So it seems like so far maybe this is in the correct order, because we wouldn't want to have in our timeline like 1868 happen before 1863. Okay, so your goal is to figure out what the correct order is for each one of these, and so you're going to have to put it in the correct order. To do that, you're actually going to have to do some research to try and figure this out. And then later, you're going to have to figure out, okay, well, what's missing on this timeline? What can I add to it? Okay, so that's how you remix this particular project. Now, to actually save what you're working on, you need to make sure that you go into Sign In and then click the Remix button, so that way it saves it as your particular project. So for example, I'm now signed in, and if I click Remix, okay, now it's saved as my own version of this project. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.